Hey, it's Tricia Morris at Club Scrap. Let's talk about the Rainforest Card Kit today. We have a beautiful collection of curated papers here, and we've designed this gorgeous all-over leaf print to get you started. And then in the rest of the collection, you'll find 2 sheets of this textured light green, 2 sheets of textured medium green, beautiful aqua, 2 super smooth white, and a lovely dark green paper. And all of these papers are cover stock weight. Next up, we have 2 sheets of carefully mapped out cut aparts. Each one of the pieces on this paper has a planned spot on a finished card. How planned? Before I even trimmed a single sheet of paper, I planned very carefully exactly how all the papers in the collection would be used as efficiently as possible to make a dozen cards. To send those cards, you're going to need a dozen envelopes, for each of 3 different sizes to reflect the cards we'll make, and you can embellish those cards with the beautiful ribbons included in the box. We have a beautiful aqua grosgrain, a 3/8 inch light green with a silver metallic woven in, and then a few yards of this raffia. We'll also utilize these 4 white mini tags, a sheet of green enamel dots, and a generous handful of this really cool leaf confetti. So I've put together this sheet of detailed paper trimming instructions and an image of each completed card that you can follow along. And I also do a workshop video, so you'll never be left wondering exactly how all of this comes together. Our first set of cards includes this super clever trimming formula that creates this angled panel. You are going to be shocked and amazed when you see how easily that comes together. And then we have this really fun double Z fold card. Now I have some important tips to share with you in the workshop video to make assembly super easy. And we'll finish our workshop with these slimline cards. We have 3 beautiful graphics on the front, and the insides are fully embellished as well. Absolutely anyone can pick up this Rainforest kit while limited supplies last, but if you join Club Scrap a member, the price of that kit goes down by $8 to just $24.95. I hope you'll give us a try, and I'll see you in class.